In this video, we are going to be discussing the best VPN router for privacy and security in 2022. We will be looking at which routers have the best features for keeping your data safe and private, as well as how to choose the best one for your needs. Let's get started. At number 1 is Linksys WRT3200 AC dual-band gigabit Wi-Fi router. With the Open WRT and DD-WRT compatible firmware, users can customize their VPN performance to suit their needs. When you dive into it, you will not only be able to set up your VPN the way you like it, but you will also be able to use other powerful features, such as detecting unauthorized access attempts to your network. With MU-MIMO technology, your router can talk to multiple devices at the same time, ensuring fast performance for everyone in your household. Whenever the VPN loses connection, the global kill switch automatically shuts down your router, ensuring your security is never compromised. If your VPN service goes down, you will have to restart your router, but you won't be unaware that you are surfing unprotected. The Smart Wi-Fi app is popular with advanced and novice users alike, offering both mobile apps and desktop platforms that provide easy access to basic and advanced configuration settings. At number 2 is Netgear Nighthawk Smart Wi-Fi Router. The dual-band router reaches a respectable 1,800 square feet, thanks to its 3 antennas. Its coverage is optimized with beamforming plus included. Using the 3 antennas, this technology scans your wireless network for devices and then transmits focused directional radio signals. With the Nighthawk app, you can adjust performance once the system is running after easy setup. Using the Circle app, you can also implement parental controls through the router, including what content you can access, time limits, and schedules. For those just starting out with VPN routers, the Nighthawk may not be the most user-friendly, entry-level option since you have to download custom VPN firmware with DD-WRT in order to maximize its VPN functionality. At number 3 is Synology RT2600 AC dual-band gigabit Wi-Fi router. If you're new to using a VPN, this router is perfect for you. The operating system, Synology Router Manager, makes setting up a VPN easy even for inexperienced users. For those not inclined to purchase a router and install new firmware, this is a big relief. Additionally, you can access the VPN from your phone through the accompanying app, so you can protect your online identity while out of the country and unable to access your home network. A mesh network can also be set up with other Synology products if you need more coverage, and the router has a range of 3,000 square feet with 4 antennas. In that case, MU-MIMO allows multiple devices to communicate with your router simultaneously, making gaming and streaming for multiple users lag-free. A variety of network storage solutions are also available with USB and SD card readers. For beginners as well as experienced gamers and VPN users, this router is a great choice. At number 4 is TP-Link AC1750 Smart Wi-Fi Router. TP-Link's web user interface is easy to use and makes setting up the router easy. A QR code from the router makes it easy to share Wi-Fi access, set up parental controls, and create guest networks. From far away, you can even manage your network using an app. According to TP-Link, it covers about 2,500 square feet in a 3-bedroom house, but we found some customers complained about the actual range and speeds at the edges. Despite the affordability, you do face some hurdles in using a VPN effectively. To get the most out of your VPN, you'll need to install DD-WRT firmware. Some users may also be disappointed that beamforming and MU-MIMO are not available. Nevertheless, for this price, it's hard to complain about a router that's fast, reliable, and simple. At number 5 is ASUS AC2900 Wi-Fi Gaming Router. Considering its price, this ASUS model offers impressive power and speed. Aside from MU-MIMO technology, which lets you prioritize devices on the network, it also features COS, which enhances streaming or gaming performance. By doing this, your router will know to give your computer or gaming console the fastest speeds and best performance. Though the accompanying app is robust, it can be a bit overwhelming for beginners due to its depth and ability to fine-tune things like your VPN service. Eye protection, however, will ensure the security of all your devices, including IoT devices that might otherwise be vulnerable. You'll be able to use it for years to come because of its high speeds. It is important to think carefully about how you want to mount it, since many consumers complained about a lack of mounting options. So that sums today's video. We hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Also, if you're new here, be sure to click the subscribe button. Have a wonderful day till the next video.